Congratulations. You have wasted your 10 months. Can you remember when 2020 is started? You have made a promise that, okay, this year would be productive. But now count, you have wasted almost 10 months. Just 2 months remaining to finish this 2023 and you have accomplished zero. What we do, we just make a big plan and we do not take any action. You are waiting for your next unique business idea, but you can start with the existing business idea. You don't have to be unique. Let's say, take an example of Netflix. So, do you think Netflix is a unique business idea? There is Prime Video, there is Disney Plus, there is Hulu, there is in India, there is Hotstar, there is so many. So, they didn't wait for the unique business idea. They started it. Always remember, it's easy to customize rather than building the whole infrastructure. It's very much easy to design a website with a template rather than building the whole website. So don't wait for the unique business idea. Start with the existing one. And when you will build something, later you can start another one. No problem. But at least start. So don't waste the 2024. You have finished almost so many years, but don't waste 2024. Do something, make a plan now. Within this December, finish all those plans. Start with anything existing. So the last thing, I'm starting a blog. So if you want to start with me, then I will publish part by part. So join me, follow me right now, subscribe my channel. Let's start.